going on YouTube? Quick video on this 92 Civic. This will work for 92 through 2000 Civics more than likely, and Integras. Installing a steering rack without removing the subframe. That's basically what I did. I removed some of these bolts and nuts on this subframe area. Taking out these ones on the left side, on the driver's side. And then on the traction bar, I took it out. Basically, you're going to take the tension away from this subframe right here. Then I'm going to go over to the other side. I'm going to take out the bolt right here on the passenger side, and I'm going to loosen up these over here. There's about 3 or 4 of them. I'm going to take out, or I'm going to loosen this one on this side, or on the passenger side, and then I'm going to actually take this one out. There's a 10 millimeter right there, 19 millimeter. That piece goes all up in there. Take that out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to slide this thing in, but where you're going to use is this area right here. Since you got those all loose, and this side the bolts are actually out of the subframe, it's all loosey-goosey. Bam. Slide it all up into that little spot right there. And this is the orientation I slid it in. Gets a little bulky, but this is going to be for your manual rack. But as you can see, I mean, I'm barely touching this, and that's just enough to get that thing to slide in there. So there you go. Quick little hack. And we got the old rack over here, clearly very worn out. Was having some difficulty with dead play. My steering rack guide, it was just way too loose, probably 20 years old at this point. So anyways, got a new rack for that, e.g. new tire rods, new ball joints. Quick little hack for you guys. Took me a minute to figure this out, but honestly it's not too bad. Just remember, if it's too tight, don't force it. Loosen up more bolts or take some bolts out. You'll get way more play, and this thing should slide right on in. See you guys later.